Hey, welcome back, Mother Goose. Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys what my bedside nursery looks like. When Harvey gets here, he'll be newborn. He can't sleep in his nursery alone just yet. I've got his bassinet right next to my bed. It's really minimal. Underneath his bassinet, I'm going to add a laundry basket for dirties. This is actually an ottoman. Well, I can use this either as a changing table or I can use it, to set stuff out on. A couple of nursing blankets for changing, some extra onesies and sleepers in case he poops or pees and it gets outside of his diaper, because that happens sometimes. I can just change him. And then some diapers and wipes, burpee cloths in case he needs to be fed and burped in the middle of the night, and then 2 body swaddles so that I can swaddle him up and lay him in there. I also put a couple of breast pads in here just in case I start to leak at night. Organic diaper balm. I have petroleum jelly in here, and he's gonna be circumcised. I'm gonna have to use that a lot for every diaper change. Also have 2 bottles of water. That's pretty much my bedside nursery. He has his bassinet, he has a little changing area, and then all the little things that I might need in the middle of the night that I can get out of this box and avoid waking baby up or hubby up. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you guys some ideas on what to do next to your bed if you are someone like me and want to keep eyes on your new baby for a little bit before you set them off into a nursery on their own. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you want to become a member of the Married Moms Club. And for all you beautiful mother gooses out there, stay strong and keep up the good work because the world needs us. Bye.